take you to South Georgia Motorsports Park, drag bike fans, and take a look at the fastest Pro Mod Kawasaki out there, Connell Smith. Most Pro Mods are GS based. This Cooper Performance machine is a Kawasaki KZ power plant. There's the legendary Fast by Gas, Paul Gas. Do I have any Kawasaki KZ fans here? So stay with us, guys, in this video because this is a very rare, fun, and thrilling, exhilarating nighttime qualifying session from the Man Cup opener. Enjoy. This is Pro Mod and Pro Open. Pro Mods run on a whole lot of nitrous oxide and run to the 8th mile. Pro Open coming up next. They'll run all the way to the 1/4 mile. Connell Smith near lane. Talented crewman helping him out. T. Jones' son, Garner Jones, the other lane. Kawasaki letting off the button. Here comes Garner Jones. 4 flat Jones! 4 flat!
Chris Garner Jones, a 4 flat. Congratulations, Team Jones. They're loving it. Big congrats. Big congrats.
Angelia loves it. And here comes Terry Wynn. Again, this is South Georgia Motorsports Park, guys. We do this twice a year with the Man Cup Series, once in April. Sorry for the foul language on the shirt. We also do it in November. That's the biggest drag race ever, November 21st through the 24th. Come down and check it out. The weather was a little rough for the opener. It is always great for the finals, though. Some 800 motorcycles, packed grandstands, the biggest Top Fuel field history. They'll all be there. Message me for more information. Leave a comment for more information. Terry Wynn, Pro Mod. .417, Terry Wynn.
17, how about that? Very impressive run. There's one proud mama right there after Chris Garner Jones runs a 4 flat with a 7, nearly a 3-second run.
Yeah, congratulations, Chris Garner Jones. And now it's time for Pro Open, 1/4 mile time.
We will bring up 2 of the fastest females in the world. We got Niki Zach all the way from Australia coming up. She's ready to go. And Fast Andie Rawlings, set to make a pass.
This is what you have to love about Pro Open.
NHRA Pro Stock Motorcycle. Can't wait, guys. I hope you like what you're seeing. Make sure you like CycleDrag.com on Facebook. Make sure you are subscribed to Cycle Drag on YouTube. And the video of these 2 young ladies going at it will be up. How you feeling, Fast Andie?
I'm feeling fast. This is gonna be it.
How great is this? You and Niki Zach, 2 fast females. You guys are getting it done. Showing these guys that the ladies roll out here, don't they?
That's right. Is there any other way?
There you go. Good luck.
Thank you.
That's Fast Andie. Here's Niki Zach. This is the fastest female motorcycle drag racer ever. We'll have more coming up with Niki. Make sure you like it.
A real intriguing matchup, a NITROUS GS of Niki Zach versus an NHRA Pro Stock Motorcycle of Fast Andie. That's what you have to love about Pro Open. Anything
we got a real
goes.
treat for you. 2 of the fastest motorcycle women in the world. Niki Zach of Australia near lane. That is a NITROUS GS. She'll be taking on Fast Andie Rawlings. That's an NHRA Pro Stock Motorcycle in the far lane. Cool matchups like this you see in Pro Open in the Man Cup Series. They'll race it all the way to the 1/4 mile, guys. All the way to the 1/4 mile. Take a look at this awesome machine of Niki. Look at this big beefy motor. Big beefy GS motor. Awesome. She is the world's fastest female.
Niki's got the slider clutch. She'll leave off the button. Andie Rawlings will slap out your standard clutch per NHRA rules. The external starters out to decrease the weight on the motorcycle.
There we go, guys.
Should be a great matchup. Let's watch. Niki Zach, Fast Andie Rawlings from South Georgia Motorsports Park. let me tell you something about Niki Zach from Sydney, Australia. She hopes to one day compete in Top Fuel Motorcycle.
Naturally-aspirated motorcycle versus a nitrous oxide one.
There's never been a female in Top Fuel Motorcycle in the 4-cylinder category.
Give this video a share for girl power. If you like seeing fast women on fast motorcycles, give it a share.
Niki Zach was shopping around Dave Mantine's Yellow Bullet. Certainly appears to have the skill set necessary, but she's been well over 220 miles an hour on the Zebra machine. Wayne Castleberry, talented crewman out of Benson Dunn, North Carolina. Benson Dunn Ford. Fast Andie. She's got George Babor's motors. We did a feature on both these ladies on the Cycle Drag YouTube channel. Make sure you look it up. We interviewed back in the pits. Get a lot of great insight. Let's watch this run though. What can Niki do? Looking for a mid 6-second pass if all goes well. Creeping in. So much nitrous. Oh, problems Fast Andie. Niki's on a rip. How fast can Niki Zach go? 650! Niki Zach, 650!
192, 650.
She was out of it too, 192.
Problems, unfortunately, for Andie Rawlings. I'm not sure what happened to her NHRA Pro Stock Motorcycle. May have pitched a chain. Not sure what happened. We'll get this motorcycle off the track. Tough break for her. Oh man, it looks like, well, I thought at first it locked up the rear wheel, but we'll get her back.
It happens.
Well, Fast Andie, unfortunately that happens from time to time, right?
It does, but that's why we call it racing, not winning.
There you go. You guys got time to tune it up for tomorrow, you think?
Oh, of course we do.
There you go. Good luck to you.
Tomorrow's a new day.
There you go. Tomorrow's a new day.
That's right.
Fast Andie, go get him.
Fast Andie always improving.
Qualifying in her category, she'll get ready for eliminations tomorrow. Hope you guys like this video. Plenty more. Subscribe to Cycle Drag on YouTube. Like Cycle Drag on Facebook.
Oh, we got a matchup coming up. Sean Gosselin out of Canada. He's a bad man.
Big bad Canadian, Sean Gosselin.
Out of Team Grothus Dragbikes. John Gosselin, ever improving, gets quicker and quicker. Used to be a nitrous racer. They converted him over to a
got a lot
turbo.
of smoke coming out of Gosselin's bike.
There's Ed Bacon of Grothus Dragbikes. Alongside Jayson German, far lane, out of Team DME.
Gosselin over the winter, we converted this bike from nitrous to turbo. No bar Hayabusa.
Guys, you gotta love the diversity in Pro Open. 4 distinct motorcycles that we just watched in this category. Nitrous, naturally aspirated, turbo, and now a no-bar bike in the other lane. No-bar Suzuki, DME, Jayson German. Sean Gosselin, though, he's so tough. Looking to make his home country of Canada proud once again. Grothus Dragbikes and Dan the Man Wagner looking on. Here we go, Pro Open. Oh, nice hole shot, Gosselin. The Canadian's on a pass. Oh, breaks up.
Wow.
Still goes 678.
How about a 678 at almost 200 miles an hour?
Wow.
Crew will talk it over.
Dan Wagner and Ed Groth is going to talk it over. Look at the difference in speed between
Impressive
Niki
run, though, nonetheless.
and Gosselin. I think that tells you that Niki was
Ladies and
off
gentlemen,
the
Mark
throttle.
Rendeluk. Welcome back to the sport. Check it out. He's got a brand new DME powered turbocharged Hayabusa. He's running here in Pro Open.
Mark Rendeluk, always great to talk to. We did a feature on him that you can find on the Cycle Drag YouTube channel.
Fast Hayabusas, give this a share.
That is basically a Pro Street motor, Pro Street turbo system in a state-of-the-art, top-of-the-line chassis. He's got Team DME on his side, Vance and Hines, many others. They call him Mr. Paint. Had to undergo open heart surgery over the winter. We all said our prayers for Mark, and now he's back out doing well and continues to make strides with this motorcycle. Still working the bugs out here early in the season, but by the time we get to the World Finals, keep an eye out because the race to the 5-second zone is on. And if you don't think we can get there, guys, Terry Schweigert's already been 619 on the DME Timberland chassis Dan Wagner bike. I'm sure Rendeluk thinks that he can be the first in the 5s. A little bit of new bike blues here. Let us know in the comments, what do you think is wrong with the motorcycle right now? What is he experiencing? Starter's stepping in. Give him a little bit of time. This was a late night qualifying at a rain-delayed race. Hence the reason for the empty grandstands. I know some of you have asked about that. Don't you worry. When we get back there November 21st through 24th, it'll be packed. Lucas Oil TV and Mav TV will be there providing television coverage. Let's see what the skeleton Mark Rendeluk can do on that 2-step. Oh, sounds great. You heard that tire hook up. Oh, backfire. May have missed the tune a little bit. Potentially a fuel problem. 702. Always have a hard time reading the Valdosta lights sometimes.
Keep your eye on that motorcycle, guys. You like fast turbos like that, subscribe to Cycle Drag on YouTube and like CycleDrag.com on Facebook. Plenty more videos coming. Please subscribe. And I have a question for you. I want to know, very simply, what do you like better? Turbo bikes or nitrous bikes? Turbo bikes or nitrous bikes?
Okay, so turbo bikes or nitrous bikes, and why? We know Nikki Zach loves her nitrous bike. We know that Fast Andie Rawlings likes the naturally aspirated George Babor motored Pro Stock Motorcycle. Keep an eye on Nikki Zach. She's going to be fast. Can't wait to see you guys at the finals, November 21st through the 24th. Subscribe to Cycle Drag on YouTube. Like CycleDrag.com on Facebook. We'll give you all the information you need to stay updated. And please check out our new project with the Suzuki Hayabusa. Can't wait to put a Brock's pipe on it. More coming, guys. Leave us your comments. Let us know where you're watching from. Thanks so much. Have a great day. And the last question, how much performance do you think I'll pick up taking off the boat anchor, super heavy Suzuki stock exhaust and going to this light unit by Brock's? I can't wait to see. Thanks a lot, guys.